Every time I have a free weekend, I look forward to how productive I can be. Yet every weekend that I have that's free comes and goes with nothing really getting done. This is one of those weekends. All week this week, I look forward to this weekend. I told myself that I would be so productive, that I would make a YouTube video, plan my channel direction, study coding, train. Everything would get done this weekend when I had my free time. Instead, I did none of those things. I procrastinated my day away by watching YouTube, gaming, journaling, doing anything and everything that I could except for what I needed to do most, which was make a video. After a lot of thinking, I realized my problem. I'm afraid to commit to doing something for a specific amount of time. You see, I love to time block out my weeks. I sit down and I calendar out my meetings, my meals, my habits, my training, my sleep even, but I can never make myself commit to work on my business for X amount of time or do anything that is non-routine for a specific set of time during the day, instead opting to leave that free. With the amount of projects that I have going on, time blocking my weekends with specific focused time is the solution to this problem that I've been facing. Oh, and stick to it. Fortunately, this weekend is only halfway over. Tomorrow is Sunday, which means that I have a chance to redeem this weekend and make it a productive weekend. Let's see, 6:30, time to wake up. I said, wake up. Wake up! Every morning, I like to start the day off with electrolytes to stay hydrated. Today, I'm having a single scoop of G1M Sport instead because next up is my long run of the week. I'm training for the Austin International Marathon in 2026, so building a strong base of cardio fitness is absolutely critical. Today is my 5-mile run, the longest I've done this year. If running has taught me one thing, it's discipline. It's taught me that on the days that you don't want to run, those are the days where your run matters the most. Today was one of those days. I got up and I didn't really want to run, but I did it anyways, and I'm glad I did. Now that my run is complete, it's time for a quick shower, breakfast of eggs, and a smoothie, and then I'm off to church with my wife, Abby. After church is over, my wife and I like to grocery shop for the week. We found it saves time versus going separately later in the week. Now that I'm home and I've unpacked, it's time for lunch. Most of today has been mandatory or routine, but now is when the real test happens. Will I be disciplined and stick to the schedule I made last night, or will I procrastinate the rest of the weekend away just like every other free weekend? Due to it taking a while to unpack, unfortunately lunch was a bit later than expected, but I adjusted my schedule and now it's time to get to work. I'll finalize the script for this video from 2:30 to 3:30, and then I'll edit what I have filmed so far. After that, I'll film some more footage, and from 6 to 7, I'll practice coding. Finally, time for supper of pancakes. Don't judge me. At 7:30, I'll evaluate my new footage, prep my script at 8, and finally film all of this directly after. After that, my productive Sunday is complete. Now it's time for bed and lights off. I ended up accomplishing way more this weekend than I thought I would. So if you've been feeling this lack of productivity on your weekends and you have high goals and ambitions that you really want to work towards, I highly recommend giving this strategy of time blocking out your weekends with specific time for your side hustles a shot, as it really helped me get a lot more done than I would have otherwise. I didn't really showcase it in this video, but I did give myself plenty of downtime in between work blocks so that my day still ended up being enjoyable and not non-stop work for hours, because I can really only maintain focus for probably an hour at most before I need at least a short break. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to drop a like down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're interested in more content like this, or in tech content, cybersecurity, fitness, lifestyle. All of those things are pretty much being wrapped into this one channel going forward. Hope you have a great day. I'll see you in the next one.